Hey, what's happening, G-Shock Society? I'm just uploading 2 vids tomorrow, but I'm doing them tonight. These are kind of just like, those little fun reviews where I'm just going to show you around a bit and stuff like that. But, just playing with the skate deck under here. This one I used to skate. This is like West 49. This is signed by the DC team. It's kind of scratched up, I don't even know how. But, yeah, it's from the Canadian Open, Battle of the Brands. Never even used. But, over there, right there is my punching bag. This is just my basement. Punching bag, some UFC gloves up there. Over there is how I keep my cats out. Even though sometimes they still get through, it's my ping pong table. The other half is right here. That lighting's kind of bad, so I kind of like to stay on this side. But today I'm going to review these 2 pieces. But first, I meant to show you guys this hat. This dope Hundreds hat I just picked up. Well, actually a few weeks, like 2 weeks ago I picked it up. The Hundreds 5600, definitely one of my next pickups. No doubt about that. It's kind of... Did I get it dirty tonight? Kinda. That sucks. I'll clean it. First, which one should we go with? Yeah, we'll just go with this one. Passerelle Death Squad. Oh yeah. This is the DW6900 BPAS9. Why is it 9? It's black. It should be 1. But wait, what? 9 is orange. That is so weird. Let me guys know about that in the comments. Also, let me know what this says, because I know Passerelle Death Squad is like a band somewhere, maybe Germany or something. Just look up what that says on, Google Translate. Put that in the comments. It says, Le temps n'attend pour personne. There's my French kicking in it there. You can tell I'm Canadian when. Shouts to G-Shock Prince, my Canadian friend also. Me and him been keeping in touch all the time. Prince, man, we gotta talk about that that twin review in Toronto. That'll be so sick. Me and him were just thinking about picking up pieces together and then reviewing them, which would be sick. Meeting up in Toronto. As you can see, this is the sexiest tin ever. Just because of that girl just licking the bottom of the barrel. It says, for all tomorrow's parties. This is a matte white tin. I don't know what that means. And then if I try and open this, take the foam off, we have, put that off to the side for a second. We have the manuals. Okay, let's start reviewing these manuals. I'll read them to you one by one. No, just kidding. Nobody wants to hear that. Yep. But here's the piece. Shout out to Monty for helping me this piece. Did I say that already? Oh, well, if I did. That's cool too. Oh, God. Come on, wrapping paper. Why do you gotta be such trouble? Aha. Got it out. Yeah. Hey. Okay. It's not starting out too well. Oh yeah, I'm wearing nothing today. Or not today. I was wearing something earlier, but nothing right now. This is the Passerelle Death Squad collaboration. Band out there in Europe somewhere. Passerelle Death Squad. White matte button. Oh, my finger looks gross. White matte button. All black matte watch. With the black back, or the black dial. Neutral back face with a sick custom backlight. Just 3 stars, keeping it plain and sick at the same time. Look, there's my cat trying to get in again. Right there. Yeah, he knows I don't want him in here. Never really comes to me unless I'm making a video, which kind of sucks. for all tomorrow's parties in like a black gloss writing. There's a fingerprint. We got white writing all the way around the bezel. 2 stars in white. White writing around the trim. I'll show you guys the back plate. I didn't show you the tag. Oop. Yeah, BPAS9. Not sure what that means. 1289 module. BPAS9. 9. I don't. Whatever. Leave a comment. There's the back plate. As you can see, it says for all tomorrow's parties, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stars. So it's got 2 up here, 3 in the back plate, 7. So we got 12 stars. Hopefully I didn't mess that up. Yeah, but this piece is just sick overall, just black matte. It's one of those collaborations. You're not too worried about getting messed up. Well, not messed up. Just like you can wear it without getting those sweat stains that you get on these back parts on, say, like a white watch or a yellow watch. But, yeah, guys. I'll do a shout out in my next video, just because I have so many to do. Yep, that's all. That's all for this one. Stay tuned for the information right there in like a few minutes. Alright. Peace, guys.